What would happen if the entire global internet suddenly vanished tomorrow? It all starts with a single, unexpected cut at the bottom of the ocean. In a fraction of a second, billions of screens freeze. The loading wheel spins forever, and the digital world goes completely dark. Total chaos hits the streets immediately. Without GPS navigation, drivers are instantly lost, wandering blindly and fighting with useless paper maps. The modern supply chain completely collapses. Supermarket shelves go empty because logistics and digital payments are totally dead. At the banks, ATM networks go offline. Credit cards are turned into useless pieces of plastic, and physical cash becomes the ultimate king once again. With no feeds left to scroll, a terrifying new reality forces its way into our homes, having an actual, real-life conversation with our families. To survive, society goes completely old school. Postmen revive the lost art of delivering handwritten paper letters by bicycle. Online influencers face a massive identity crisis as their follower counts, likes, and digital careers instantly drop to a giant zero. But slowly, after the initial wave of panic, a beautiful planet-wide detox begins. The constant, aggressive digital noise finally fades away into peace. Without endless notifications, our brains undergo a massive reboot. Focus returns, and human creativity starts to skyrocket. Real communities are reborn in the physical world. People gather in parks, talk face-to-face, and actually look up at the world. But then, exactly 30 days later, the deep-sea fiber optic cables are repaired. The digital grid flickers back to life. Instantly, a massive storm of red notifications floods our screens, and humanity immediately drops its head right back into the matrix. Yet, a few smart individuals hesitate. They choose to keep their heads up, remembering the true value of being disconnected. Are you ready for the great reboot? Thanks for watching Stick Tales, and make sure to subscribe so you stay connected for more stories.